So in week 5, we tackle the female reproductive system and also the male reproductive system. Those two chapters, chapters 8 and then chapters 9. Again, it'll start with a more anatomy and physiology type approach. Not that you don't need to cover that, but you don't need to dwell, and spend a lot of time in those chapters. Again, start at your blue boxes, and the rest of the chapter is everything that's really relevant here. Again, pathological diagnoses, chronic conditions and issues and diseases, clinical tests and procedures, any type of ultrasound, x-ray, you think of mammograms, lab tests, for instance, the CA-125 for females, and then they go over the PSA blood tests for men. Abbreviations, there are a lot more common abbreviations here at the ends of these chapters that I would focus on as well. And as we get deeper into the semester, reading the practical applications that are at the end of the chapter might be really, really good for you. The in-person stories are really nice and interesting too. It really just helps you get that depth of knowledge for these two chapters. So take your time for the blue boxes, make your new flashcards, practice making those definitions from terms, okay? And practice creating terms from the definitions. So practice it both ways and you should be good.